Tonight another yellow moon has punched a hole in the nighttime mist. I climb through the window and down the streets. I'm shining like a new dime. These downtown trains, they're full with all these Brooklyn girls. They try so hard to break out of their little worlds. You wave your hands and they scatter like crows. They've nothing that will capture your heart. They're just the thorns without the rose. Be careful of them in the dark. Oh, if I were the one you chose to be your only one. Oh, baby, can you hear me now? Can't you hear me now? Will I see you tonight on a downtown train? Well, every night is just the same. You leave me lonely now. I know your window and I know it's late. I know your stairs and your doorway. Walk down your streets and past your gates. Stand by the lights at the four-way. You watch them as they fall. Oh baby, they all have heart attacks. They stay at the carnival, but they'll never win you back. Will I see you tonight on a downtown train, where every night is just the same? Baby, will I see you tonight on a downtown train? All of my dreams, they fall like rain, baby, on a downtown train. Well, on a downtown train. Well, on a downtown train. Will I see you tonight on a downtown train, where every night is just the same, baby?